To build a better future in 60 seconds to flip the switch. I am Tobin at Virtual Storefronts campaign. Today's top story is the question of the week on our Facebook page. What are the benefits of a robust local economy? To answer that question, this past Sunday I spent too much time writing the forwardable email, which really goes the distance to explain this. I'm going to drop the link here in comments so you can see it for yourself. Here's one thing you can do to help a local business today. Instead of mindlessly clicking at Amazon, pick up the phone and call a local business to see if they have what you need. If you're lucky, you'll be able to have a conversation with a real person, get it faster, and invest 64 cents of every dollar in your community. Shout out to Ray Miller down here in North Carolina and Ilza Peterson's way up in Bangor, Maine, whose $25 put us over the 1100 mark this morning. Thanks for watching, and remember, only you can like this post like a storefront stand, share it like a communist, and see first like you can actually control Facebook. Links to everything in comments. See you next time.